go through the basic getting started of the Wildfire development system. You need to make sure you have a couple things on your system. First of all, it's Python, and the next is the actual Wildfire runtime itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and find a web browser and download that. So I'm just going to go to the website, openwfx.com. Go ahead and click on the download link. The latest version is up there. Go ahead and automatically download. Okay, go ahead and extract that. Now, go ahead and copy that to my desktop. Alright, so it's on my desktop. Alright, now in the terminal, I'm going to go to my desktop. And you can see there's a Wildfire folder we just downloaded there. First thing you're going to see here is the Wildfire folder. That's going to contain the runtime and the necessary bootstrap files to run your application. The WTK folder is a library that defines all the tags necessary for working with TK. The WTK examples folder is pretty self-explanatory and contains a number of examples of Wildfire running on top of TK. Now we're going to go ahead and create our own example for this demo, and we're just going to do a basic hello world. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a file for it. I'm going to say hello.wfx, and I'm going to go ahead and open that up in Emacs. And now there's a couple things we actually need to add to this. The first one, always, is a WFX tag. The WFX tag basically says that this is a Wildfire document, this is a Wildfire application. Okay, go ahead and put my editor into XML mode. Now the next thing you need to have is the library tag. Now a library will actually define all the tags that you want to work with. So there's not really very many tags defined right now, except for the basic stuff that comes along with the Wildfire runtime. So we have an assortment of libraries. WTK is one of them that define tags that allow you to work with different GUI backends. This one happens to be DK. So we're going to go ahead and bring up the WTK library. Now the next thing we need is we actually need to describe our application. So I want a window, and window tag's pretty easy to bring up. There we go. And then I want some text in it. Say text is equal to hello world. And that's about all we need for our basic hello world example. Go ahead and close that out. And I can say Python, Wildfire, use run.py. It'll take whatever file you give it and go ahead and run it. So we have our example here should be hello.wfx, and we run it. And Python pops up, and there's a hello world. And that's Wildfire. Thanks.